Gold stayed bullish for the week and has closed the week at the highs which we had seen in the month of June, very close to the highs, and in fact it has surpassed. Now, can we expect this bullishness to continue as it is closed at the top? Can we expect it to resume further bullish momentum in the coming week and break past the all-time highs? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading gold? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Coming week is going to be important. We have a couple of key events. First is the Chairman Powell's testimony coming Wednesday, and then the inflation data from US. These two key events definitely will bring volatility, and thus how to profit from that we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share my daily updates, in fact twice a day updates for gold. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Just subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share and comment, which is always a great motivation. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, we'll look into charts followed with indicators, and towards the end of the update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy watch till the end. If you look at the 4-hour charts, see the rise, consolidation, the rise, consolidation, and the rise. This is the third leg of rise which gold has seen, and it has formed a very strong base now at 2350, 23. 18, 20 levels. Very good support is seen here. These three support levels gold needs to break in order to confirm its bearishness, else it is still trading in the bullish channel. If you connect the dots here, you will find this is almost at the cusp of this channel, which is right now at around 2400 levels. Also, if you look at the move, the bearishness has diminished, it has found its support, and then it has bounced back. So this leg of rise might continue here for a while, but I can say that it is entering into overbought. And on the daily charts also, if you see, I've been sharing this, the rise, the flag formation, and then this breakout. This is a bullish breakout here. So this leg of rise may continue here for a while. If you look at the movement here, see one bullish candle, then consolidation, then bullish candle, then consolidation, and third candle here. Also, if you look at what it has done, it has breached past the highs which we had seen in the last month for gold. And thus now we will wait for it to break beyond 2400 levels. 2400 is going to be one key milestone which it needs to break in order to confirm the further momentum here. If you look at the formation, if here just connect the dots, you will find this is how it has been trading, and this is a moderately sideways, but I can say slightly bullish channel here. The highs here are now above 2460. So once gold breaks past beyond 2400, the chances for it on the upside hitting the highs exist, and it increases. So we have to be watchful here. Yes, it has formed a very good support here on the downside. Coming to weekly, now the same is getting replicated on the weekly charts as a look at this very strong support formed here at around 2300, 2290 levels, and with that as support we have seen it rising. Now if you divide this into two, you can find out almost symmetrical, but at the same time you can notice that the drop is done and then this rise was seen. The rise is almost bringing it with modest bullishness compared to what we have seen during the time of drop. So still I will say that there are chances of a reversal, but right now it is looking forward to this sideways bullish channel. The possibility of it hitting the highs will increase if it stays beyond 2400, 2418 levels. Then certainly the chances of 2460 levels will be very high. Yes, it is forming a nice sideways flag formation. If you also look at the monthly, now my only worry point on the monthly charts is, see here, look at these three candles. The bullishness got diminished, there is a reversal sign, and it has almost started on a flat note, and it has also hit the top of this. So now this is going to be crucial, because see it has seen the highs for the month, and if it is bearish, because I see the preceding candle as a reversal sign here, this could be a reversal sign. For that, gold needs to take a sharp dip from the current levels, and this could completely reverse, trapping the buyers at this zone. We can see a complete reversal here in. So now in the coming week, two key levels, 2400, 2418, this $18 zone is going to remain critical for gold. If it breaks above 2418, I think that coming back or a drop on the downside is going to be difficult. But as long as it stays below 2400, 2418 zone, the chances of a reversal will be very high. Yes, it can reverse. Let's have a look with the indicators. What does the indicators are suggesting? Now see what has happened on the Bollinger Band. See, this was outside Bollinger Band, this was outside Bollinger Band, then there is a doji candle appearing after a bullish trend. So the chances of a reversal still is high, and yes, any drop below 2320 in the coming week is going to be one good sign that prices are bound to drop, and the drop is going to be sharp enough. Why sharp enough? If you look at the movement, see what is happening right now. the rise, the retracement, and then the rise here. It is continuing in this bullish channel here. Now this is the highs of these are the highs of the channel. The lows are far below at around 2150 levels. Now another observation here is the divergence of the price from the moving average. If you look at the formation rise retracement, now it has seen the rise, so it could try to retrace. Stochastic is very near to the top here. The MACD, if you look at the MACD, it is trading with divergence. It is staying bullish. It is looking upwards. And looking at the divergence here, this does not suggest that gold has any intention to drop. The RSI is again entering into overbought zone. Coming to weekly. Now look at weekly charts. What has happened here? Rise retracement. It is waited for the 20 period moving average to climb up. Now you can see this is almost forming a good base here with the support very close to 20 period moving average. So with that as support, it is trying to rise, and a bullish closing in the last week suggests that chances of a rise will be high, but I'm still being a little cautious, though it has formed a very good support here, but it is again entering into overbought zone. If you look at the stochastic, this has hit the bottom and trying to bounce back. But look at, if you look at MACD, what has happened? First wave, second wave, and see the bullish part of this wave is done. It is entering into the red part of it, and it is trading with slight divergence. So this suggests that there is still a lot much of room on the downside. And if you also see where this crossover is coming from, this crossover is coming from an extremely higher level. So the chances of a retracement is high here, where it could hit through the bottom of this channel. The RSI has dropped as well, trying to rise. Coming to the day, if you look at the daily chart, the moving averages have converged and now is starting to diverge. It is looking upwards, and these have again started to diverge. Now this could be another round of rise which could begin from the current levels. Also, this is breaking past this flag formation. So possibly, if it stays beyond 2400, 2418, the chances of price is hitting towards 2460, 2500 will be high. If you look at the stochastic, this is entered into overbought zone. Look at MACD. See the drop, retracement drop. It has formed a good base and trying to diverge. Now this suggests that there is a room on the upside. But once it turns bearish after a crossover, this could see the highs here when it was bullish were at plus 60 levels. Thus, if it is bearish, it can hit the lows at minus 60. But right now, it is not suggestive of such bearishness. The RSI is showing a rise as well. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. So connect with me over email or Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker, the recommended broker link also is there in the channel and video description. It offers a SAP-free account with the lowest spreads and no hidden charges. So now first let's talk about the levels. Now first thing is you can buy here at 23, 96, 98 zone. Expect gold to move towards 2404.5, 2411, and then 2418. Now till here it has got good resistances, and as long as prices stays between this zone, we have to be careful with the buy. Prices can reverse and we can see a fall here if it is, as long as it stays between this zone. Beyond this zone, the bullishness will increase, and I will look forward to 2434 levels and then 2455 levels. And if it stays beyond this, strong bullish momentum towards 2475 will be seen, and in fact 2500 cannot be denied. But I do see that it is entering into overbought levels. Thus, we need to be a bit cautious here with the buys as long as 2418 is not taken. On the down, I will recommend a sell here at 2384. Expect it to move towards 2376, 74 zone. And if gold breaks this, then there could be a stronger fall towards 2365, 62 levels. This is one of the key support levels on the downside. Below this, 2350 levels will come into picture, 2350 and 2344. Now remember, if it breaks 2344-45 zone, we can say that a stronger bearish momentum will prevail, and then I will look forward to 2320, 2300, and then 2275, 2250 levels will come into picture. Yes, it has a potential for it, but it needs to reverse from the current levels. If at any point of time gold breaks beyond 2418, the chances of reversal will be less. But as long as it stays within this zone, I will expect it to continue on the downside. However, beyond 2418, it is not going to come back. Remember this fact. Beyond this, just stay bullish, take your trades accordingly. Do watch the daily updates, which will give you a fair idea of where the direction is going to be and how you should profit on the daily basis. Thus, subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.